A Haryana model has been found dead in Sonipat, killed with reasons not yet known. Another disturbing story after what happened, remember, in Punjab, where an influencer was found dead in a car. We are now told unknown killers have slit model Sheetal's throat. What is happening? Raising serious questions on what exactly unfolded, we are told, and the worst part is that this model's body was found dumped in a canal in Haryana. Her name is Sheetal. She was working in the Haryanavi music industry, brutally murdered. Remember, not an accident, it's very clear. Her throat has been found slit. The killers are still at large, unknown. Her body was recovered from the Reliance Canal near the Khanda village. She was a resident of Panipat. A missing person case was registered with regard to her by the Panipat police, and then police has now taken the custody of the body. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me for the latest on that. Kamaljeet, days after we had that news about the influencer in Bhatinda who was found dead, now comes in this incident. What are you picking up about this model? And this is again a clear case of murder.
Well, gruesome murders happening in the northern belt of India. But remember, Bhatinda case was a case of moral policing in which two Nihangs were involved. This one seems to be another plot itself, because remember, this one is with a friend, associate, or could be perhaps a boyfriend. He's been identified as Sunil. And now there are two cities, two police stations involved, and the body of one young woman, a 24-year-old Sheetal alias Simmi Chaudhary, emerging young influencer of sorts, but also popular in music industry. That is when she went missing. But it seems like a concocted story is now being made, because remember, the boyfriend was found in Panipat village in a canal. He swam out of his vehicle, but said that the lady had actually been washed away as such. But meanwhile, the police found the body of Sheetal in the Reliance Canal. And this is where what they've also found is they found injury marks on her throat. Her body was identified because of that tattoo. The family has been alleging that Sunil is behind the murder. He's recuperating in a private hospital. So it looks like murder most foul. But remember, the family is reaching civil hospital in Sonipat. Meanwhile, it also seems that as far as this entire case is concerned, remember, the focus is going to be clearly in Sonipat, where the post-mortem is going to be conducted. The police is not ruling out any other angle. A joint investigation between Sonipat and Panipat. And remember, the family had filed a missing complaint right there. But it looks like increasing number of murders of these particular kind are shocking the nation as such. But remember, this looks like a personal angle at this point of time. But a young life snuffed out.
What is happening are young women, influencers, models are being found dead and murdered. Different reasons, but possibly is there a connect, especially when the women are on target in this manner. We'll be tracking the Haryana case as well. And is the police close to being able to find out what happened? Listen into a senior police official's reaction. Kamaljeet, stay on with me.
हमारा थाना मतलौडा में सूचना मिली थी कल, तो उसकी गुमशुदगी की एफआईआर दर्ज की गई थी और अब उसकी डेड बॉडी मिली है। जो हमारी नहर है, इसमें कार डूब गई थी और वो कार इसराना का रहने वाला एक लड़का था, सुनील नाम का, उसकी गाड़ी थी वो। और उसके बाद उस गाड़ी को निकाला गया। जो लड़का था उसमें, जो ड्राइवर उसको चला रहा था, वो तैर के बच गया था। तो अब ये पता लगा है इसमें कि ये इसी गाड़ी में ये लड़की थी, ये लड़का इसको लेके गया हुआ था, इसी ने इसका हो सकता है इसने हत्या की हो।